Hello and welcome back to Next IAS, your go-to source for all things related to UPSC preparation. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic, India's military diplomacy and its recent surge in back-to-back exercises involving all three services. Let's get started. In recent months, India's military diplomacy has been in full swing, showcasing its strategic partnerships and defense capabilities through a series of high-profile military exercises. These exercises strengthen India's defense ties and enhance its operational readiness. Let's take a closer look at some of these key exercises. First up, we have the India-US Bilateral Army Exercise, Yudh Abhyas, which commenced at the Mahajan Field firing ranges in Rajasthan on September 9, 2024. This exercise features one of the largest US contingents with around 600 personnel, Stryker infantry vehicles and the M142 high mobility artillery rocket system participating. Next, let's talk about the Indian Air Force largest multilateral exercise, Tarang Shakti, currently underway in Jodhpur. This exercise involves aircraft from 8 countries including Australia, Greece, Japan, Singapore, Sri Lanka, the UAE and the US, with 17 countries participating as observers. One of the highlights of Tarang Shakti is the participation of the iconic A-10 Thunderbolt II and F-16 jets from the US, flying over Indian airspace for the first time. This exercise not only enhances interoperability but also showcases India's growing air power. Moving on to the naval front, the Malabar exercise is scheduled to be held off the Visakhapatnam coast in October. This exercise involves the navies of India, Australia, Japan and the US, and is a key component of India's maritime strategy in the Indo-Pacific region. The Malabar exercise aims to enhance coordination and cooperation among the participating navies, ensuring a free and open Indo-Pacific. Finally, we have the bilateral exercise Indra, where an Indian Army mechanized infantry contingent will head to Russia. This exercise underscores the strong defense ties between India and Russia and provides an opportunity for both armies to learn from each other's experiences. These exercises are a testament to India's proactive military diplomacy aimed at building trust, enhancing capabilities, and ensuring regional stability. That's all for today's video. If you found this information useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Next IAS YouTube channel for more updates on UPSC preparation and current affairs. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.